Okay, next sum is the multiple by 9. Okay, last we have seen about any number it should be multiple by 5. We have seen about two-step tricks. The same thing but not exactly the same trick, but it's also going to perform a two simple step trick. Okay, so multiply the given number with 10. That is, if you want to perform any given number, or if the number should be multiple by 9. Okay, so the given number should be multiple by 9, then we'll see what is the procedure. Okay, so any given number that should be multiple by the 9, the given number multiple by 10. That is, the given number should be multiple with 10 and subtract the number itself. What does mean by the number? Subtract the number itself. I will tell you, don't worry. So this is a question, 4582 into 9. That is, we are going to perform the multiplication by 9. Okay, so what is the two simple steps? First step, the given number should be multiple by 10. So what we have also seen it in a previous step itself, that is a multiple by 5, you know it. Okay, so 4582 into 10. So then what is the answer? We are going to add a 10 to the last to the given number. Then we have to take this number and we are going to subtract the number itself, means the question number. So what is the number here given? 4582. So we are going to perform the subtraction using the number. Okay, so this is the number after multiple by 10. So we are going to add the 0. This is the given number, that is the question, the given number. Okay, so after subtracting these two numbers, we have got the answer 41,238. So this is the answer for 4582 into 9 is equal to 41,238. Okay, so don't worry, I will tell you one more time. So any given number that should be multiple by 9, any number that should be multiple by 9 means only a two simple step. First step is the given number should be multiple by 10. So multiple by 10 means very easy. We are going to add only 10 to the last to the given number. Okay, so after multiplying the number we have got it, isn't it? This is the number. Okay, after multiplying we got the number, this is this number. So this is the question, actual question here, what is given here, the question. Okay, so after subtracting the number itself is this number itself, what is the final answer? We got it 41,230. This is the final answer for 4582 into 9 is equal to 41,238. Okay, example 2. So what is the question here? 2398 into 9. That is, we are going to perform the multiplication by 9. Okay, what the step I have told you before is only a two simple step. What is the first step? The given number should be multiple by 10 into 10. So then final answer 2398 and 0. I am going to add a 0 here. So that is the answer. Okay. So next, what is the second step? The number should be subtract with itself. That is, this number going to subtracted by this number. That is 2398 minus 2398. Okay. So I am going to perform the subtraction. 23,980. Okay. Then 2. 10 will be here. 2. Then 7 here. Borrowing. Then it will become 8 and will become 9. Then after 17 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. Okay. Okay. Then 8 minus 3, 5. So 3 minus 2, 1 here 2. So the final answer will be the 21,582. Okay. So in previous sum itself I have told you, you need not to follow any step by step process when you are attending any exams. Okay, even though in your school exams, even though when you are in a like a competitive exam, any exam, if you're attending these kind of a problem, you need not to perform the step by step process. And also I have thought here subtraction very detailedly for the people who will slowly read out. Okay, so for those only I am just doing each and every step by step. Okay, I can perform it like this, okay, to 8, but to get better understand, for there is a lot of category of people, to get a better understand I am performing very detailedly. Okay, if you get bored, don't worry, if you understand it very good, you can perform it with mentally. Okay, so you need not to perform any step by step process, you can just find out the final answer. Okay, example 3. So I'm going to perform a one big digit 3000 and okay, we can check out whether it's working for a 3-digit number. 374, okay, into 9. So this is a question. So what is the first step? 374 into 10. So the answer will be 3740. We are going to add only 1 0 to the last. So what is the second step? 3740. Where I have got this number? I got the number from here. Minus 374. Can we check it out? Whether final answer 3740 minus 3704. Okay. So what is the subtraction step? 10. I am borrowing here 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. We cannot perform it here. Subtraction 6. Then 13. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. Then 6 minus 3, 3. Then the final answer 3. Okay, sorry, 0 here, isn't it? So the answer will be 3366. Okay, 3366 is the final answer. Okay, you can, if you are worried about it, you can do the cross multiplication also. It will be come out very well. Okay, because 1 carries 6. Correct. 3360 will be the final answer for 374 into 9. Okay, so you cannot do, if you are worrying about the step, you just cancel the step. You can do it very mentally. How you are going to mentally? After seeing the question, you are going to add a 0. Okay, we have added this 0 and directly we are going to be subtraction. Very simple. Okay.